Hey, what's going on, my friend? James Bill here. I just want to share this moment with you all. Just to let you know about how grateful I am, and how grateful you should be also. I'm just grateful for my health and my strength. Grateful for my family, my beautiful family. Grateful for the shelter that I have, clothing, transportation. I woke up with a sane mind this morning, somebody, if you know what I'm saying. And I'm just grateful for that, because let me tell you, nothing is promised, man. If you don't believe that, just take a ride to your local hospital, pay a visit. People are doing bad, guys, So if you think you're doing bad and things, because things aren't going your way, you need to be grateful. You need to be grateful, because let me tell you something. You could wake up, actually could not wake up at all, first of all, but you could wake up with your mind weak, not knowing who you are, not knowing who the people around you are. Your eyes could go bad. You can have an accident. Just be grateful, guys. I'm telling you. I'm at home right now. I'm relaxed, stress-free. My health is good, and I'm just grateful for it, And I own my own business. I work from home. I don't have anybody over my back telling me what to do, and I have to act a certain way. Excuse me one moment, guys. I'm kind of, I'm at home. I'm, cooking a little meal for me and my wife when she gets in. But yeah, this is what I do. I get to relax at home. I wake up, check a few emails, post a few ads, do a little business, answer some calls, answer some messages. And, I may go out and do a little fishing or something, a little crabbing. You guys probably seen some of my videos. Me and my wife, we love to crab, and go to events, travel. But I get to do what I want, guys, and I am so grateful. So I want you to take today, be grateful, and just take your life and live it, guys. Peace.